Hello there, and what's up there? Today I'm going to be unboxing my Star Wars R2D2 alarm clock today. And I can't wait to open it. I find it out it's pretty cute, actually, and I can't wait to use it very soon. So, yeah. Hold on for a second. I'm going to do is grab my file right there, and then after that... And over here, all I do is cut here, got it. And there's the R2D2 right there from Star Wars. I'm just gonna do is cut those twist dies right there. No, oh, over here, so easy. Just gonna do is use my got it. Got it open, and then after that, what I'm gonna do is just rip this instead of scissors. Now that's the easier way to do it. Send it to those sword strings like that. Just pull it. They're almost like twist ties actually, but I don't know what they're called. Some sort of a string or something like that. Who cares, whatever, about those little stupid wires. We'll just do is take out the R2D2 right now, his legs, right there. And then after that is, oh wow, it lights up. Cool. Okay. Just what I'm gonna do is get this turning. Okay, got it right there. And I just insert this thing back in now. Oh yeah, I think those are just the locks right there, but they don't really matter to me, to be honest. Nope, I don't think anything's in there. And I turned it off for now to save batteries. And now, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video today. So now, peace out, guys.